And welcome to your full knitting tutorial marathon. I'm so excited you're here to learn, practice, and finish with confidence. Today, we're diving deep into the world of knitting, covering everything from the basics to more advanced techniques. Get ready to embark on a journey that will transform you into a confident knitter. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need knitting needles, yarn, scissors, and a tapestry needle. Knitting needles come in various sizes. Choose the size recommended on your yarn label. The yarn should also be suitable for beginners. A light-colored, smooth yarn is easiest to work with. Now, let's learn the basic knit stitch. Hold your needles in your hands. With the needle containing the working yarn in your right hand, insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. From left to right, wrap the yarn around the right needle, and draw it through the stitch. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. Repeat this process until you reach the end of the row. Congratulations, you've just completed your first row of knit stitches. Next, let's move on to the purl stitch, the sister stitch to the knit stitch. The purl stitch creates a bumpy texture on the fabric. Hold the needles as before. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle, from right to left, passing the needle under the left leg of the stitch. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and draw it through the stitch. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. Continue this until the end of the row. Now, let's practice casting on. Casting on is how we create the initial row of stitches. There are several methods, but we'll start with a long tail cast on. Create a slip knot and place it on one needle. Measure out a length of yarn, and hold it between your thumb and forefinger. Bring the needle under the thumb strand, then over the forefinger strand, and pull the yarn through. Place this new stitch onto the needle. Continue this process until you have the desired number of stitches. Next, let's learn how to bind off. Binding off secures your stitches and finishes your work. Knit the first 2 stitches. Then, pass the first stitch over the second stitch. Knit one more stitch, then pass the previous stitch over the new one. Repeat until one stitch remains. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail, and pull the tail through the final stitch to secure it. Now, let's solve some common knitting problems. Dropped stitches? Just pick them up with your needle. Holes in your work? Weave in the yarn to close them. Uneven tension? Practice regularly, and your tension will improve. Don't be discouraged, knitting takes practice. Finally, let's finish with confidence. Block your finished project by washing it gently and laying it flat to dry. Weave in the yarn ends with a tapestry needle. Your masterpiece is now complete. Remember, the key to knitting success is practice and patience. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep creating.